system is activated to assist in the broadcast of an Amber Alert.
What the fuck?
An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. Incident summary. Father Johnny Kirk, driving a white Chevy Suburban, abducted son Johnny Kirk, 1 year of age. Victim, Johnny Kirk, a white male, 1 year of age. He has brown hair and blue eyes. He is 2 feet tall and weighs approximately 40 pounds. He was last seen wearing a blue shirt and Ninja Turtle pants. Suspect, Johnny Kirk, father of the victim, a white male aged 25. He is 6 feet 1 inch tall and weighs 300 pounds. He was last seen wearing a dirty dark blue shirt and dirty blue jeans. Vehicle, a white or cream-colored 2007 Chevy Suburban with Ohio license plate J North G4637. If you have any information regarding this alert, please contact Kentucky State Police. Eastern Standard Time.
What the fuck?
Across the Bluegrass region.
That scared the living hell out of me. I'm just trying to sleep.